Hello friends, I'm Naveen. Now we are going to create the AI images using Leonardo AI. For it is a platform where we can give the prompts and it will generate the images. For generating the prompts, you are going to use the ChatGPT, which is a free AI tool. Come on, let's dive in. I'm going to create a simple village at night time during rainfall. Sorry. Okay, let's copy this prompt and we go to Leonardo AI. They have a free version also. They will give you the daily limits. Just paste the prompt here. You can select the style which you want, like 3D or cinematic effect. I'm stick with creative effect. You guys can choose whichever. You can choose the fast or quality. I'm going to choose the quality. Okay. I want the ratio like 16 to like for the desktop. I want large pixel size. Currently, I'm going to create three images for now. Okay. Okay. Now we can generate. As you can see, it's running. As you can see, the images have been generated. You can preview it how it is. Yeah, it's nice. It's a clear view during the rainfall. You can also create the GIF images using this generated one. For that, this motion video. I want to create it for 5 seconds, and it will take for 25 points from my uh, current deposit coins. Okay. Okay, let's we can preview the video. It's nice. You can download the video in P4 format and you can convert uh, any other video editors. From this you can see it in 5 minutes we can generate a prompt and we can create the scenarios how we need. Leonardo, it's not a sponsored video, but I like the Leonardo is by giving the prompt, it's generating the most our satisfying images using its AI models. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. See you in next video. Bye. See you soon.